Hello guys, I hope everyone is doing well. And yeah, I haven't been well. Like the past days I wasn't feeling very well, but I wanted to come back and just touch a bit about the strategy we are using on binary.com, right? So I'm on the 30-minute chart. I'm gonna start from let's see what happened on boom 1000. Let's see boom 1000. Let me just load boom 1000. Okay, guys, we see basically today there was not much because it moved down, pulled back, moved down. This is not a perfect M, guys, because it's gone way beyond the first top here. It's like it changed the trend, so this is not valid, guys. It's not valid. Let's go to 500 and see what happened today. Okay, boom 500, we had a signal here. The market was up here in resistance. It pushed down and then went back to retest, and then it shifted the zone. This was an M. You could have made money on boom 500, so today this could have been our signal, guys. And then let's go to crash 1000. Hey, I don't usually trade the crash and the booms but I'll try them out. But I have seen that the pattern works everywhere. The pattern works everywhere. Okay, I'm looking at today. This is today. There was nothing much. Here the market was in a range and then it dropped, right? It's in a downtrend. Let's crash 1000. Crash 500, guys. Crash 500. Crash 500. Let's see. Let us see. Yesterday, yeah, from yesterday it went into a resistance, came down, went to retest, rejected. You could have sold here and made some little money. And here, make sure you come out fast. If an M forms down here in the support, it's a scalping trade. Make sure you come out fast. Here there's nothing. This is not a W, guys. You know why? This was the first part, right? The sell trend went a bit far beyond, right? The first part. It has to be retesting not far beyond, but it has to show you that I wasn't able to go beyond the previous low. It means I don't have strength to go down, right? That's what we must look at when we're looking at the M's and the W's. Let's go to volatility 10-1S, starting in a line with them. 10-1S today, there was nothing. The market dropped from the top. It pulled up and then it's dropping again. There was no pattern there. Volatility 10. Yeah, we had our pattern here. It went here into the weak resistance, came down, went back to retest, shifted the zone. You could have entered this trade and you could have made some money, right? You could have made some money. And if you want to really know how to exit trades, is if let's say here, like I usually do, I told you what I do. Like if the market is coming down from maybe what's this, a resistance, or maybe it's near the 61.8% fib level, or 50%, or 76.4%, whichever level in the market the price is, if it's dropping down, I put a mark from where it reversed, right? The high of where it reversed, right? And then I wait for it to retest. So the retest can happen whereby the price fails to reach the high and then rejects, or it can happen whereby it goes beyond the high a bit. But if it goes too much, it's showing you that, okay, this is still an uptrend because it's a pullback and a continuation. If it goes beyond, right, that's not a valid M. So the valid M are the ones which are almost in the same level or a bit below the high, because it's showing that I didn't have power to take out the high, or a bit above. It's still valid, a bit above, not too much, right? So this was an M we could have got there. Now my entry, the way I do it, when price now is going down, I'm waiting for it to retest. So when it's going up to retest, it can retest using 2 30-minute candles. Depending on the downtrend, if the downtrend was longer, it will take maybe 4 candles to go and retest, right? But since it's shorter and the momentum is not too big, it took 2 30-minute candles to retest, right? So when it's going up near my line of the high point of where it turned first time, right? When it's going up like this, I mark it, then I shift to M2. For you to find the M2 chart, it's easy. Just right click on your chart. You'll find time frames here. And here under minutes, you will see 1 minute, 2 minutes. You just click and then it will be added to your what's this, to your panel. So when it's going up, I shift to 2 minutes because I want a sniper entry. So I shift to 2 minutes, guys. I shift to 2 minutes. Where's that place? Where's that place, guys? Where's that place? Oh, yes, yes. It's here. It was going up actually around here. Then I shift to 2 minutes. In 2 minutes, what I need, or what I'm looking for, is for a significant Heikin-Ashi candle. You can see the significant one is the one which is closed and it has momentum. If I get a momentum candle, and then I get the second one here, I get the second one like this, I can decide to sell the market there. So I would sell my market here. Let me just make it which color? Let me make it blue. I would sell there. So if we look at it on the 30-minute time frame, you discover that you see my sell happened here, way beyond. It's here, low drawdown, because when you wait for the candle to cross the moving average, you'll be late because you have to wait for it to fully close. You'll be late. I like taking sniper entries as long as the pattern has presented itself. So on this blue line, that's my entry. Where does your stop loss go? Your stop loss goes where? Just above the high, a bit above, right? Which means if you have $100, you're dividing your $100 into 4 parts. Always divide your money. If it's $100, divide it into 4. You're going to have $25 pieces each. So you'll be risking $25 knowing that you have how many chances? 4 chances, right? So what will happen is the distance from here to here, if it goes against you, it's what? You lose $25. But if it goes your way, the same distance from here to here, your way is 25. So here you could have made 25, maybe another 25, that's 50, another 25, that's 75, another 25, right? That's about $100. You could have easily made $100 just on this small move on the 30-minute. $100, but you could have been risking $25. That's how you get the sniper entries, guys. This is volatility 10 index. We are moving down. Actually, it's still early. There's still volatilities down there, right? Now we see something coming. You see, price went on the 61.8% fib level. It then made its first fall. Don't do anything. Don't do, because you know I'm telling you must stop trading whereby you say, oh, price is at a certain Fibonacci level, or price is at resistance. It's now turning. Let me enter. Never enter like that, right? You never make money that way. If it was so easy for people to make money that way, everyone could have been a millionaire. Because when you see price turning from resistance or support, you always enter, right? Never do that. Never do that. I never do that. If it's going like this, someone would come and see this chart saying, whoa, I missed this sell. Now not say that. Which sell did I miss? I need to wait for the price to go back. So the price went back, you see. And the price did not even go back to really reach the high, right? The high is here of the first 10. This was the highest point, then it turned. It went trying to what? To reach the high, but it failed, which means what? It's saying there's no momentum for me to buy. I don't have power, so automatically it's gonna fall. So if it's going up already on the 2 minutes, because I'm anticipating a move, right? I'm anticipating a move. So on the 2 minutes, it's still above the moving average, right? So if the candles are very close to the moving average, I'll wait for a significant candle, right? Which one? This one. It's closed on top and does a body. Other candles, you see, they have a wick up and down. They are not very strong. So after this candle, I would what? I would sell the market here on the 2 minutes chart. This is a sniper entry. I would sell here. And then if we look at it on the 30 minutes chart, on the 30 minutes, look, it's showing us, oh, our entry could have been here. So why wait for the 30-minute candles to print? You'll be late. Your entry could have been here. Your stop loss, you could have then put it where? You could have put it on the resistance, right? You could have put it on the resistance. You could have been in the trade right now, right? Earning almost double, $25 and another $25 on its way, right? Volatility 100 1S, that was today. And then we go on volatility 100. 100, there was nothing. You can see it went up, came down, destroyed the pattern. It went up and touched the highest resistance of today. There's no pattern. You see now it's dropping. If it can go back to retest. So already I've put a mark where on this high point, right? So I'm like, if it can go just near this point, I'm gonna shift to what? To 2 minutes. If the price can just go near this high, I'll shift to 2 minutes. And if the price is near the moving average 13 on the 2 minutes, I'll just wait for it to cross below on the 2 minutes. And then I would sell my market knowing that it went to retest, it has formed an M. So the pattern will always work. The pattern will always work. 25 1S. You see, there was nothing. There was nothing today. For the T25, there was something just now. You see, price came down to support. It went up, came down to retest. What are we seeing now? Came down to it. When it was going down, I could have put a line here, right? And then I could have shifted to my 2 minutes, right? 2 minutes chart. And then let's see. Let's see. There is the line, and price was still below the line, right? The moment price just crosses above, I buy. This is a sniper entry. So my entry could have been where? Could have been just here, right? And then we go to the 30-minute to see our entry. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Look, you entered so early before the candles even shifted. If you wait for the candles to shift, you would miss the move. Entering here, it's not a good risk to reward ratio. We want sniper entries. That's why in my past experiences, those who know me on a personal basis, they could see me taking an account of $35 to $2,000 just on one trade on volatility 75, whereby I would put in my trades here. After a small push on the 2 minutes, I'll add in more trades on a $35. So by the time it shifts from my trades, there'll be big trades left behind here. And by the time it's here, my balance is already $500, right? So when it moves up to here, I'm already on $2,000 or whatever within 1 day. That's what used to happen because of this, what I'm teaching you, right? The M's and W's, people don't know. What I'm teaching you now, I'm opening your eyes because you might hear about them, you might have heard about them, but you did not really understand the power behind them. So me, I'm showing you the power behind them. That's what I'm doing. Me, I'm showing you the power behind. Hey, this was from yesterday, right? The market dropped from this point, which was kind of the resistance. It dropped. Then it went back to retest and it spiked a bit above. I told you, if it's like this and it rejects, it's okay. It spiked because they are taking out some people. So the time it was going up like this here, I could have already marked it and went to the 2-minute chart, right? Which was yesterday, right? I could have marked it. And here you see, and I could have waited for price to cross below the moving average here. So my entry could have been here, guys, right? Let me just delete this. My entry could have been here, guys. Let me delete this. Could have been here. Let's check my entry on the 30-minute. Sniper entry. Look, guys, I'm entering way before even the Ikinashi candle, the full 30-minute reversal candle prints. I'm up here, and my stop loss is probably where? Here. If I have $100, I'm risking $25 here. Now, how much can this move make you? This could have made you about, if it's 25, $1, $2, $3, $400. 1, 2, 3, 4, $200. 1, 2, 3, 4, about $300. So what do we have here? We have market coming down here right now. It went up, it came to retest again. So what do? When it's like this coming to retest, already you shift to what? M2. So on M2, what's happening? You see? This is M2. You could have had your entry where? Here, right? You could have had your entry here. You could have made some money. It's in a pullback on, this is 2 minutes chart, guys. It's still gonna push up, but you could have had your entry early enough. Early enough. This is M2, right? Let's go back to 30 minutes. Yeah, we can see that this price is gonna go up according to our pattern. The moment it prints, it confirms, right? It confirms 51S. Okay. Okay, I got interrupted there. My network just cut me out. But as I was saying, yeah, let me just finish up. We had an M here. Here we are having a W, which we are waiting for, which is still forming. That's 51S, right? And then 50. So every time you enter, you want to enter a sniper entry from the 2 minutes. Always know that you must always put a break-even stop loss, right? After your entry, because in most cases it moves. Sometimes it can move early and you'll be in profit, and then it goes back to retest because on the 30 minutes it doesn't yet change fully. But why I'm using 2 minutes is for sniper entry, right, guys? So if you put a break-even stop loss, you will not lose. If it hasn't yet moved, you catch it again, knowing that no, the pattern is valid. You just want to catch the sniper entry. This is 50. There was nothing today. 75 1S, it came down, put up, broke structure, right? It's going up. Okay, if it can go to retest and reject, yeah. But yesterday we had an M here. Could have been a lot of money. And then volatility 75. Let's see if there was something today. Today there was nothing. It was just an uptrend. Maybe to form an M. Who knows? Who knows? So let me stop this video here. And I'm busy working on organizing the robots and everything, linking people. A few people have sent money to me, but about three people. The rest I know maybe are still hustling, or you'll be able to fund HD markets because maybe you're in a country whereby you can. Like there's another guy in our group from Lesotho who has already funded. He managed to send bank transfer, and he sent me the login details of the HD market account. So some are managing to do bank transfer, some are not. So those who are not, especially from Nigeria and other countries, it's okay. They are sending me Bitcoins and I'm going to help them set up their accounts. So no problem. Okay, it's done for now, right? In my next video, which will come, I think, later on today, I'm going to tell you how I trade Forex, not the volume chart. The volume chart, I use it mostly on NASDAQ, and it also works on currencies, but I'm going to show you the main strategy I use for currencies, right? I'm going to show you the Forex strategy, right? But remember, always remember this W and the M pattern. Very, very important and very accurate, and they can make you a lot of money in the market. Yeah, let me stop this one here first. Let me stop.